All right, guys, we got Cayman from S&B in the house today. Thank you so much for coming out, Cayman, all the way to Spokane, Washington. Today, we are talking about intercooler piping that S&B offers. Cayman, tell me about this.
So this is our intercooler pipe for the 6.7 Powerstroke, but for all of our intercooler pipes, they come with silicone wrapped hose couplers. So you can see here, this is a high quality silicone part that has steel rings for even added reinforcement. We make all this in-house, which is something we are really proud of because most of this product comes from Asia because of how labor intensive it is. This is a mandrel bent pipe with a machined collar on the end. This replaces the failure prone factory intercooler pipe. But for all of our intercooler pipes, they improve the airflow in the system, so there's better efficiency, so you get better throttle response and better fuel economy.
Let's talk more about quality because you guys know S&B has been in business for 50 years now. You guys know when you see that S&B logo, it's nothing but quality. And looking at this intercooler pipe, this is quality, guys. I've seen a lot in my days, and this is some serious quality. If you guys are looking for intercooler piping for your truck, hit the link in the description or visit dieselpowerproducts.com. Thanks for coming out, Cayman.
Thank you.